Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today I wanted to go over some of the changes to BIXBY on the Galaxy Note 9. In this version of BIXBY is a newer version of BIXBY than what you'll find on the S9 and Note 8. So things have been updated, things are working a little bit better. BIXBY is now contextually aware, so you can have a conversation with it. You can ask it what the weather's like today, and then you can say what about tomorrow, and you don't have to say what's the weather going to be tomorrow. You can just say what about tomorrow, and it will know that you're talking about the weather and you want to know about the weather tomorrow. So you can do that. I'll show you that here. So the BIXBY button also cannot be deactivated on the Note 9. You can disable BIXBY Home by turning it off on your Pages menu here, but you cannot actually disable the BIXBY button itself. It will go to this screen right here, showing you the all-new BIXBY and everything, and then you have your voice button down here, or you can hold this button. What is the weather like?
Partly cloudy with temperature around 80 degrees.
So you can see it'll say that. What about tomorrow?
Partly cloudy with temperatures from 63 degrees to 83 degrees.
What about in Colorado?
Mostly cloudy with temperatures from 64 degrees to 89 degrees.
So you can see there, it knows that I'm talking about the weather. I can ask it about another day, or even another city or state. Is it raining?
No, it doesn't look like there will be rain in the forecast.
So you can bring up another, type of the forecast, stuff like that. It'll know what you're talking about and where you're talking about it. So that's pretty cool. In the settings, you can also set it so you can do your voice wake up still. You can also let it, you can use it while your phone is locked for making calls and looking up simple things like restaurants and stuff like that without having to unlock your phone. There are also quick commands, so I can say, BIXBY, I'm going home, and it will turn on Bluetooth, turn off Wi-Fi, and text John that I'm on my way home. Or you can do, going to work, so it'll give you directions to work, turn off Wi-Fi so you're not using battery life. By having Wi-Fi on when you're actually in your car not connected to Wi-Fi, it'll turn on Bluetooth. Or you can say that you're home, it'll set your ringtone volume, turn on Bluetooth, turn on Wi-Fi. So you can customize these quick commands or use some of the recommended ones up here, and then like I said, you can create your own, so you can choose what you want to say to BIXBY and what you want to have BIXBY do, which is really cool because they're like quick shortcuts, kind of like what Siri's going to have in iOS 12 when it comes out. You can say, BIXBY, I'm going to be home in 10 minutes, and you can have it text somebody, I'm on my way home, I'll be there in 10 minutes. You can have it turn your Wi-Fi on. I'm also assuming, I haven't tried it yet, but you can probably use it with Samsung smart home devices. Let me see if that's an option. Let's see. Yeah, so you can do a bunch of different commands. There's, different commands you can do. I don't know if it works with the smart home stuff yet, but hopefully that's something they'll bring out in the future if it's not working. But a lot of things you can do with the new BIXBY. I know a lot of people are bashing on BIXBY because you can't remap the button, and people want to use it with Google Assistant and stuff like that. But I think BIXBY is coming along, and I think here soon we'll start to see some major improvements to BIXBY and stuff like that, and it'll be a lot more useful. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. And as always, have a great day.